So my dear friends, what is direct cost and indirect cost? Direct cost is nothing but a cost which is directly related to particular cost objective that can be traced in its economical feasible way. For example, if you are going to manufacture, say for example, um, if you are manufacturing a book, right? Now book of which type? Say for example, if you are writing a fiction book, now this is your company which actually manufactures the fiction book. Now what all things you will be required? You will be requiring one author who will be giving the content of the book. You will be requiring the set of pages from the market. You will be requiring some printing kind of material from where you can do your printing job. Then you will be requiring the where the things need to be published, that you will be requiring. These are basic things which you will be requiring. These are nothing but the direct cost. Now what are indirect costs? After making of that product, you will be selling that product in the market. So marketing is nothing but the indirect cost of the company, right? If you are managing a warehouse, and for that administration purposes you will be requiring some cost, that will be administrative expenses, so that will come under indirect cost. So cost which is actually related to particular cost objective but cannot be traced. So the feeling here is one can trace and one cannot trace. So indirect costs are nothing but which are not traceable. Basically direct costs are which are traceable directly to the cost object, and indirect costs are allocated to the cost object. So this is basic difference between direct cost and indirect cost. So what I told, for example, if you are manufacturing that product, say for example if you are manufacturing a pen, right? So pen will require some, for example, some amount of steel, some amount of iron, then it will require some amount of paint, it will require refill, it will require some ink, it will require some labor who will work for manufacturing, it will require some kind of machinery also. So these are nothing but the direct cost. But after manufacturing of pen, it is required to go into the market. If no proper marketing is made, then how would you be able to sell that pen? So my dear friends, it the, the things can be sold if they are properly marketed. So the marketing is indirect cost. Or if you are doing stockment of that thing and administration is able to handle that thing, then administrative costs are also there. For example, building rent and all that, which are not directly traceable, so that will come under indirect cost. So I think, hope you understood what are direct cost and indirect cost. Thank you.